The poem is Rakhi. Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan is a ceremony in which sister ties a band of thread around the wrist of her brother. It represents the strong, undying bond of love, respect, and trust between the two. In this poem, the poet receives a Rakhi from his sister. Come, students, let's read and try to analyze the poem. I had forgotten the time of year. Your Rakhi came, showing how things have changed and are the same. This poem starts with Vikram telling his sister that he has forgotten the time of year her Rakhi was delivered to him. However, he states that no matter what time of year he received the Rakhi, some things will never change in life. They remain the same. Let's read the second stanza. It was a contract of trust with more than you. I know I left home too many years ago. Here, the poet wants to say that no matter what time of year he received the Rakhi, he will always be her sister's dear brother. After all, Rakhi is nothing but a contract of trust between the brother and sister. Poet wants to say that Rakhi is not just a thread or a symbol of any festival, but it is a symbol of love, trust, and respect which a sister shows to her brother and a brother keeps in his heart for his sister. The poet had left home many years ago, might be for some job purpose. Now he does not live with his sister, they live apart. Now let's jump on to the third stanza. I place the golden thread across my wrist. That done. Struggle with my left hand to tie it on. Now the poet has got Rakhi sent to him by his sister. He places the Rakhi across his right wrist and tries to tie it on with his left hand, but he finds himself unable to tie the thread all by himself.